Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will cover the details of Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P1009, which indicates a VTC A Advance Malfunction specific to the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. The Variable Timing Control VTC system plays a crucial role in optimizing engine performance by adjusting the timing of the engine valves. Understanding this system and its components is vital for effective troubleshooting. DTC P1009 can cause performance issues, leading to a reduction in engine efficiency and potential drivability concerns. The following slides will provide a comprehensive guide to diagnosing and repairing this issue. It is essential to follow the steps meticulously to ensure the problem is rectified accurately and thoroughly. The DTC P1009 indicates a malfunction in the Variable Timing Control VTC system's advance mechanism. This system typically consists of the VTC Actuator A and the VTC Oil Control Solenoid Valve A. The VTC Actuator is responsible for adjusting the engine's valve timing based on various inputs, thus enhancing engine performance and fuel efficiency. The solenoid valve controls the flow of oil to the VTC actuator, allowing it to respond accurately to changes in engine demands. In a Honda Accord, the VTC actuator is typically located at the front of the engine, connected to the camshaft, and the solenoid valve is generally affixed to the engine block or near the actuator's positioning for easy access. Any malfunction in these components can directly impact engine performance and trigger the DTC P1009. Several issues may lead to the triggering of DTC P1009. A common cause is a faulty VTC Oil Control Solenoid Valve A, which can fail to operate correctly, preventing the actuator from receiving the appropriate oil flow. This can result in improper valve timing and diminished engine performance. Another potential cause is a malfunctioning VTC Actuator A. If the actuator cannot adjust the timing effectively, it can lead to noticeable drivability issues. Additionally, clogged oil passages can restrict oil flow to the VTC components. Dirt or debris in the engine oil can create blockages, which may cause components not to function as designed. Each of these causes requires thorough inspection and potential replacement to resolve the error code. The symptoms associated with DTC P1009 typically manifest as poor engine performance, which may include sluggish acceleration or decreased power when driving. Drivers may notice rough idling, where the engine feels uneven or unstable at a standstill, indicating potential issues with the timing of the engine valves. Additionally, the check engine light may illuminate, alerting the driver to a malfunction within the engine management system. If these symptoms are present, it is essential to conduct a thorough diagnostic to determine if DTC P1009 is indeed the cause. Addressing these symptoms promptly can prevent further damage to engine components and maintain optimal performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P1009 is to verify the problem effectively. Start by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode, ensuring all electrical components are functional. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to clear the DTC stored in the engine control unit. After clearing, start the engine and check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. The purpose of this step is to establish a baseline before proceeding with further diagnostics. If DTC P1009 is still indicated after this procedure, it confirms that there is a persistent issue that requires attention. If the code does not reappear, the issue may be intermittent, and observing the vehicle under similar conditions may help reproduce the failure. After confirming the presence of DTC P1009, the next step involves checking the operation of the VTC Oil Control Solenoid Valve A. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off lock mode to ensure safety during testing. Use appropriate testing methods to assess if the solenoid valve is functioning correctly. This may include checking electrical connections or measuring resistance. Determining whether the solenoid valve is operational is vital, as a malfunctioning solenoid can lead to incorrect oil flow to the actuator. If the solenoid valve is functioning correctly, you will proceed to the next troubleshooting step. However, if the valve is found to be defective, replacing it is necessary to resolve the issue. The final troubleshooting step focuses on the VTC actuator A itself. After ensuring the solenoid valve is operational, inspect the VTC actuator for any signs of malfunction or physical damage. Look for signs such as leaks, improper movement, or signs of wear. It is essential to assess the actuator's role in managing the camshaft timing reliably. If it does not operate correctly, you may need to replace the actuator. Should the actuator be found in good condition, further investigation into other components may be necessary. Checking the VTC system oil passages is crucial. These passages should be clear of debris and oil buildup. Any blockage here requires cleaning to ensure proper oil flow, which is essential to the function of the VTC system. Once all necessary repairs or replacements have been made, it is crucial to verify that the issue has been rectified effectively. Begin by rechecking for any DTCs utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Confirm that DTC P1009 is no longer present, indicating that the malfunction has been resolved. Once the DTC check passes, start the engine once more and observe its performance. Look for any improvement in acceleration and engine smoothness. These indicators suggest successful repair. Additionally, take the vehicle for a short test drive to ensure that it operates correctly under real-world conditions. Thorough verification helps confirm that the repairs addressed the root cause of the issue. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P1009 and maintain optimal performance of the VTC system, regular preventive maintenance is essential. Schedule routine oil changes as recommended by Honda. Clean, high-quality oil sustains the VTC components by reducing wear and tear. During service, inspect the VTC components, including the actuator and solenoid, for any signs of potential failure or deterioration. Consider using high-quality lubricants designed to keep engine components clean and functioning optimally, as this can extend the life of the VTC system. Keeping up with maintenance ensures that the engine performs efficiently and minimizes the likelihood of future issues. In conclusion, understanding and effectively diagnosing DTC P1009, which signifies a VTC A Advance Malfunction, is crucial for maintaining the performance of the Honda Accord from 2017 to 2023. The VTC system, which optimizes engine timing, is vital for achieving fuel efficiency and smooth operation. Following a structured troubleshooting approach ensures that all potential causes are systematically ruled out or addressed. By checking both the VTC oil control solenoid valve and the actuator, technicians can accurately pinpoint the issue. Remember to verify repairs through thorough testing and consider preventive maintenance to prolong the life of these critical components. Implementing these strategies not only resolves current issues, but also guards against potential future problems. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.